Super weather.
We have a first alert day in place for Tuesday, mainly for tomorrow morning, particularly during that morning commute. There is a line of some strong to severe thunderstorms that we could be looking at to rumble through our area. We're looking at a level 2 threat for much of southeastern Minnesota. In portions of northeast Iowa, though, there is a level 3 out of a level 5 risk. So I think the greater potential for strong to severe storms is going to be in north Iowa tomorrow morning. The main hazard with these strong storms would be the potential for some damaging wind here in the area. So looking at that severe storm outlook, I know timing wise, if you're looking at kind of the banner here, it says Monday. It's based on how these are blocked out. So this includes that morning commute time frame, and that's when we have that potential hazard for greatest risk for some strong severe storms through North Iowa is going to be tomorrow morning's commute. So as we look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook here, you can see that level 1 risk for the Rochester area, Mississippi Riverside, portions of northeast Iowa into the Albert Lee Austin area towards Mankato as well, and a level 2 risk. Notice, though, I-35 in North Iowa, so Mason City area, and to the west, we're looking at Winnebago, Worth, Cerro Gordo, Hancock County, back towards Kossuth County, and further west there. That's where we have the greatest concern of seeing some of those strong to damaging winds in the area. And again, this will be right during that morning commute, so it's important to make sure that you are staying very weather aware and maybe have some alternate plans tomorrow morning, possibly. Let's put things into motion here with Future Track. We'll start things off here bright and early tomorrow morning, just a little after 1:30 a.m. We'll start to see maybe a couple spotty showers moving into the area. By about 5 o'clock in the morning, we'll start to see kind of that main batch of thunderstorm activity arriving towards the I-35 region and continuing to move east throughout the morning hours. So closer to Highway 52, Rochester area by about 7 a.m. And then we'll see that activity continuing to push towards the Mississippi Riverside, especially after 9 o'clock in the morning. Still some lingering thunderstorm activity back behind there, so a little more moisture still possible, but most of this activity should be out of here by about 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. From there, the rest of the day, quiet and looking very sunny with seasonal temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. But again, those main hazards for the area is going to be that wind concern, as we could be looking at some wind gusts of, say, 60 to upwards of 70, 75 miles per hour. Again, especially through North Iowa, where we have that level 3 out of a level 5 risk. Tornadic threat, very low, but not completely zero. Hail, also on kind of the lower end tier of concerns, but wind will be the primary threat, but can't quite rule out maybe some smaller hail. We'll certainly get a little good moisture out of this system, especially south of I-90 into portions of North Iowa. We'll see here if the graphic wants to load for me. It might not, but a better chance of maybe seeing over a half-inch of rainfall would be south of I-90. Here's a look at that 10-day forecast. First alert day ahead for your Tuesday. We'll see temperatures here the next couple of days pretty seasonal into the upper 70s to low 80s. Maybe a few more additional rain chances possible for the late week there, but gearing up for some slightly cooler temperatures heading into early next week.
Don't forget your umbrella.